Good morning, dear. Today in third lecture we will discuss about the Laplace transform of Heaviside's unit step function or unit step function. So let's start Heaviside unit step function. Heaviside's unit step function. It is defined as u t minus a equal to 1 if t greater than equal to a, 0 if t less than equal to a. Heaviside unit step function also can be written as u t a or h t minus a or h t a or theta t minus a. If we plot the graph of unit step function, we see this is equal to 1 means ut minus a, t going to infinity, see t equal to a. So for t less than a means for t less than a, this is going to 0. For t greater than a means t greater than a, this is equal to 1 means going to parallel to t axis. We want to find the Laplace of this function. So Laplace of u t minus a equal to 0 to infinity a to the power minus st u t minus a dt. We can write as for 0 to a, 0 to a to the power minus st, and for 0 to a ut minus a equal to 0 dt plus a to infinity e to the power minus st and ut minus a equal to 1 dt. So this is going to 0 plus e to the power minus st upon minus s a t going to infinity, that is equal to t going to infinity, this term going to 0, or for t equal to a, this going to e to the power minus s a upon s. So we can see that Laplace of ut minus a equal to e to the power minus as upon s. Now, how to write a straight line AB parallel to t axis? How to write a straight line AB parallel to t axis, or we can write as t equal to a and t equal to b. Here u t minus means u of t and to 1. So if we see, this is the straight line AB, parallel to t-axis. So how to write AB in term of unit step function? How a unit step function? So here A less than B. So as we know that for unit step function ut minus a for t equal to a, and for t minus b 1, t greater than equal to b 0, t less than equal to b. So straight line AB in term of unit step function. You see here, if we subtract unit step function at a point A, means if we subtract unit step function at a point t equal to b from t equal to a, simply we get the straight line. Means ut minus a and subtract to ut minus b, So this is the straight line AB, and Laplace of ut minus a minus ut minus b equal to Laplace of ut minus a means e to the power minus as upon s minus, for this e to the power minus bs upon s. Now we will discuss the first property, means second shift theorem, second shifting property in term of unit step function, So if Laplace of f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace of f t minus a u t minus a equal to e to the power minus as into Laplace of ft, that is f of s. So how to prove? Simply let g of t equal to f t minus a u t minus a, and if we write as t minus a 1 if t greater than equal to a, 0 t less than equal to a. So simply we can write as f t minus a for t greater than equal to a, 0 for t less than a. As we know that, as starting I told that, means if Laplace of ft equal to fs, and we define a function g of t in term of ft such that g of t equal to ft minus a for t greater than equal to a, 0 for t less than equal to a, then by shifting property Laplace of g of t, that is equal to Laplace of f t minus a u t minus a equal to e to the power minus as into Laplace of ft, means f of s. Means this result is proved. This statement also we can proved as Laplace of f t minus a u t minus a equal to 0 to infinity f t minus a u t minus a to the power minus st dt, that is equal to 0 to a f t minus a into 0 e to the power minus st dt plus a to infinity f t minus a into 1 because value of ut minus a for 0 to a to infinity is 1. So e to the power minus st dt equal to a to infinity f t minus a to the power minus st dt. Simply we can prove by taking y equal to t minus a, by taking y equal to t minus a at t equal to a, y going to 0, at t equal to t going to infinity, y going to infinity. So we can write as for y at t equal to a 0, at y t equal to infinity, y equal to infinity, f y e to the power minus s and t equal to y plus a dy equal to e to the power minus s a 0 to infinity f of y e to the power minus sy dy, and this is the Laplace of f of t, that is f of s, means proved. Now we will discuss one more property of unit step function, means Laplace of ft u t minus a equal to e to the power minus as Laplace of f t plus a, How to prove Laplace of ft u t minus a can be written as 0 to infinity f of means 0 to a f of t and 0 for 0 to a ut minus a 0 e to the power minus ast dt plus a to infinity f t and for a to infinity ut minus a equal to 1 e to the power minus st dt. So let y equal to t, let t equal to y minus a, t equal to y minus a. So at at let t equal to y plus a. So at t equal to a, y going to 0, at t equal to infinity going to infinity, y going to infinity. So this statement can be written as for t means t equal to a, y going to 0, t equal to infinity, y going to infinity, and f t can be written as y plus a to the power minus s, y plus a dy. Simply we write as e to the power minus as 0 to infinity f y plus a to the power minus sy dy. This can be written as e to the power minus as Laplace of f y plus a means Laplace of f t plus a. Means if ft means any function ft if multiplied by ut minus 1 t minus a, then simply Laplace of that function is e to the power minus as Laplace of f t plus a. So here we have two statement u means f t minus a, u t minus a means Laplace of this is e to the power minus as f of s. Similarly, Laplace of ft ut minus a equal to e to the power minus as Laplace of f t plus a means e to the power minus as Laplace of f t plus a. Now we will discuss some example of unit step function. Means for example express the following functions in term of unit step function, then find its Laplace transform. So first is f of t equal to 4 if 0 less than t less than 1, minus 2 if 1 less than t less than 3, 5 if t greater than 5, and second one is f t equal to 10 if t greater than 5, 20 if t less than 5, and 20 t greater than 5. Third one is f t equal to cos t minus 2 pi upon 3 for t greater than 2 pi upon 3, 0 t less than 2 pi upon 3. And fourth one is f of t equal to t square for 0 less than t less than 6, 4 t greater than 6. So first express these function in term of unit step function, and with the property of unit step function try to find Laplace of these function. So first one is we can write as Laplace of ft equal to 4, and we know that unit step function can be written for, means we can write as, if we have a function in term of AB, then simply you write as ut minus a minus ut minus b. So we can write 4 means ut minus 0 minus ut minus 1. Means if we say this is the straight line, and as earlier I told, it means straight line AB can be written as in term of ut minus a minus ut minus b. So here a equal to 0 and b equal to 1, so write as 4 ut minus 0 and t minus 1. Similarly plus minus 2 ut minus 1 minus ut minus 3 plus 5 for t greater than 5, simply you write as t minus 5. Then, and you know Laplace means Laplace of ut minus 0 means e to the power minus 0s upon s, that is equal to 1 upon s. So Laplace of ut minus 1 upon s minus ut minus a, here a equal to 1, replace a by 1. So simply get a e to the power minus s upon s minus 2 e to the power minus s upon s, for this e to the power minus 3s upon s. Plus 5, we can write as e to the power minus 5s upon s, means this is equal to 4 upon s, and 4 e to the power minus s minus 2 e to the power minus s minus 6 e to the power minus s. 4 e to the power minus s minus 2 e to the power minus s upon s, and minus plus 2 e to the power minus 3s plus 5 e to the power minus 5s, s upon s. So simply write as 1 upon s, 4 minus 6 e to the power minus s plus 2 e to the power minus 3s plus 5 e to the power minus 5s. This is the answer of first one. So now solve equation with function 2 as f of t equal to 10, t less than 5, 20, t greater than 5. So I think please modify this. T less than 5 and t greater than equal to 5, and we can write as 20 minus 10, 20 minus 0, t greater than equal to 5, t less than 5. Simply we write as 20 means here see 20 minus 0, 20, 20 minus 10, that is 10. So 20 take as a common, minus 10, 0, t greater than equal to 5 and t less than 5. Similarly 20 minus 10 take as 10, take as common, that is 1, and t greater than equal to 5 and 0, t less than 5. Means if we write in terms of unit step function, that is 20 minus 10, and you know means u t minus 8 means t minus 5, means t minus 5. This for t greater than 1, 5, and so Laplace of f of t equal to 20 upon s minus 10 e to the power minus 5s upon s, that is equal to 10 upon s, 10 minus e to the power minus 5s. Now find this solution of 3. 3 is given as f of t equal to cos t minus 2 pi upon 3 and t greater than 2 pi upon 3 and 0 for t less than 2 pi upon 3. So this can be written as f of t simply cos 2 pi t minus 2 pi take outside, and we can write as 1, 0, t greater than 2 pi upon 3, t less than 2 pi upon 3. This can be written as cos t minus 2 pi upon 3 and u t minus 2 pi upon 3. As we know that here Laplace of now find the Laplace of f of t, that is equal to Laplace of cos t minus 2 pi upon 3 u t minus 2 pi upon 3. So if Laplace of means Laplace of ut minus a equal to e to the power minus s Laplace of fs. So here f of t equal to cos t, then f of s equal to s upon s square plus 1. So Laplace of this simply e to the power minus 2 pi upon 3, here a equal to 2 pi upon 3, e to the power minus 2 pi s Laplace of fs, that is equal to s upon s square plus 1. So finally we get the answer, means here a equal to 2 pi upon 3 and ft equal to cos t. Now we solve one more example, that is f of t equal to t square 0 less than t less than 6 and 4t t greater than 6. So here we can write as in term of unit step function Laplace of ft equal to t square and u t minus 0 minus u t minus 6 plus 4t u t minus 6. So t square ut minus t square ut minus 6 plus 4t ut minus 6. So we can write as t square ut plus means if you write minus, so t square minus 4t ut minus 6. Means f of t can be written as f of t in term of unit function f of t t square ut minus a minus ut minus 6 plus 4t ut minus 6. So t square here means u of t, that is ut minus t square ut minus 6 plus 4t ut minus 6. So take minus outside, so t square minus 4t ut minus a. Here you take means if you use this formula e to the power minus as f t plus a means a to the power minus 0 s into Laplace of f Laplace of t plus 0 whole square minus a to the power minus 6s and Laplace of t plus 6 whole square minus 4t plus 6 means you know f of means Laplace of ft ut minus a e to the power minus as f t minus a. So here a equal to 0 means e to the power minus a0 f t plus a, so t minus a whole square. Similarly minus e to the power minus 6s because here t a equal to 6, so and ft replaced by t plus a, so we replaced here t plus 6 whole square minus 4 t plus 6. So this is Laplace of this is 2 factorial upon s cube minus means if Laplace of f of. Now discuss one more example. Find the Laplace of ft equal to cos t from 0 to pi sin t greater than pi. So first convert it into unit step function, so it can be written as cos t u t minus 0 minus u t minus pi plus sin t u t minus pi. So we can write as cos t u t t minus 0 minus cos t u t minus pi plus sin t u t minus pi. So as we know that Laplace of ft u t minus a equal to e to the power minus as Laplace of f t plus a, and second is Laplace of f t minus a u t minus a, that is equal to e to the power minus as Laplace of ft, means e to the power minus as f of s, where f of s equal to Laplace of f of t. So now take the Laplace of ft, that is equal to f of t, Laplace of f of t. So if you apply this formula here, you see a equal to 0, so a to the power minus 0 is Laplace of f t, means here f t is cos t, so means Laplace of cos t minus if you apply this one ft ut minus a, simply e to the power minus pi s Laplace of cos t plus pi, means t here f of t is cos t, so t plus a means cos t plus pi, plus for this e to the power minus pi s Laplace of sin t plus pi, that is equal to Laplace of cos t s upon s square plus 1 minus e to the power minus pi s, take minus e to the power minus pi s, take outside, so Laplace of cos t plus pi minus cos minus sin t plus pi, e to the power minus e to the power minus pi s, take outside, so cos t plus pi minus sin t plus pi, implies that s upon s square plus 1 minus e to the power minus pi s Laplace of cos t cos pi minus sin t sin pi minus Laplace of sin t plus pi. So Laplace of sin t sin pi plus cos t sin t cos pi plus cos t sin pi. Implies that s upon s square plus 1 minus e to the power minus pi s. So Laplace of cos t cos pi is cos t cos pi 1 minus 0 minus sin t, Laplace of sin t, cos phi 1 plus cos t, and sin phi 0, so it is equal to 0. So we can write it simply Laplace of f of t equal to s upon s square plus 1 minus e to the power minus pi s, and Laplace of cos t s upon s square plus 1 minus 1 upon s square plus 1. So we can write as 1 upon s square plus 1, that is equal to s minus e to the power minus pi s, s plus 1, or 1 upon s square plus 1, s minus e to the power minus pi, s minus 1. This is the complete answer of this problem. Now take one more example, that is f of t equal to t minus 1, t lies between 0 to 1 to t, 4 minus t, t lies between 2 to 4, 0, t greater than 4. So find Laplace of f of t after converting it into unit step function. So f of t can be written as t minus 1 u t minus 1 minus u t minus 2 plus 4 minus t u t minus 2 minus u t minus 4 plus 0 u t minus 4. So we can write as t minus 1 u t minus 1 minus t minus 1 u t minus 2 plus we take minus outside, so minus t minus 4 u t minus 2, so minus minus plus t minus 4 u t minus 4 means minus t minus 4 and minus minus plus t minus 4 u t minus 4. So t minus 1 u t minus 1 minus t minus 1 u means we write as t minus 2 plus 1 u t minus 2 minus t minus 2 minus 2, write as t minus 4 as t minus 2 minus 2 u t minus 2 plus t minus 4 u t minus 4. So taking Laplace of f of t, that is equal to, we know means Laplace of t minus a u t minus a equal to e to the power minus a, here a equal to 1, so minus s into Laplace of t. Similarly minus t minus 2 u t minus 2. So Laplace minus 2s Laplace of t minus t minus 2, so t minus 2 and plus minus e to the power minus 2s upon s means t minus 2, so e to the power minus 2s Laplace of t, so minus for 1 minus 1 ut minus 2, that is Laplace of it e to the power minus 2s upon s minus t minus 2 ut minus 2 means e to the power minus 2s Laplace of t and minus minus plus 2 ut minus 2 Laplace of ut minus 2 e to the power minus 2s upon s plus Laplace of this is e to the power minus 4s Laplace of t. So simply if we combine Laplace of t and Laplace of t, Laplace of t and Laplace of t, so e to the power minus s, take L of t outside means e to the power minus s minus e to the power minus 2s and e to the power minus 2s e to the power minus s from this, e to the power minus 2s from this and e to the power minus 2s from this and plus e to the power minus 4s from this term and Laplace of t means 1 upon s square, and if we combine this and this, simply we say that e to the power minus e to the power minus 2s, here 2 e to the power minus 2s upon s and here minus e to the power minus 2s upon s plus e to the power minus 2s plus e to the power minus 2s upon s means if we simplify e to the power minus s, e to the power minus s, e to the power minus 2s, e to the power minus 2s, that is 2 e to the power minus 2s plus e to the power minus 4s upon s square plus e to the power minus 2s upon s, and means finally we get the solution.